All right, so be super careful as you try to insert the putty knife. If you hit too hard, you're going to push those clips down in the dryer. Even though you'll have to open it up, doesn't matter, you still don't want to lose them. So don't push too hard. When you push just enough to raise the top and you should be fine. In fact, that came out. I'm going to push it back in. And the one on the right also fell in. So we'll grab that later. Now you're going to be removing the door switch harness. The newer models, you don't need a tool, but the older, you will need a tool. Pretty straightforward from here on. You're going to have a bunch of screws. They're all 5/16. And just remove them, follow along. The first two on the bulkhead, you are just going to loosen them. Don't fully extract them. And once you loosen slowly or slightly, you can lift the bulkhead up, rotate the drum, and it comes off. Now, the noise you're hearing, this is nothing more than a lack of maintenance. So it's always best to open your dryer so you can actually verify and check things. A lot of times there's not a major issue per se. So do a good vacuuming, take it apart, check the rollers, idler, check the belt, all that good stuff. And you'll see shortly how bad this machine is. So this is where you would get your vacuum out and any brush or anything that you would want to use. Be gentle while you're working in the element housing. I would only suggest you use your blower or use the vacuum and flip it, turn it into a blower and blow and get all that cleaned out nicely. Be mindful, I did not have my vacuum, but I was able to fix the issue at hand. Now the issue was basically too much lint has built up into the blower housing. So that's what the issue was with this dryer. And once it was fixed, it was nice and quiet, as you'll see. So open her up. Always open your dryer so you can verify things. That's the main thing. So we're going to be doing a pretty short clean of this unit. A lot of the lint was on the floor on the dryer, which was pretty bad. And I picked up most of it, cleaned it out pretty well. It was not 140%, but it was pretty good. A lot better than it was. So pretty much just follow along. I know you guys enjoy these perfect shots. This is how you put the belt on. Pretty straightforward. Now, the next clip, we're going to be rotating the drum. Now, the reason why you're rotating the drum slowly, if your belt is twisted, then it falls off now versus after you put it together and you have to take the machine back apart. So as you rotate, do it very slowly, don't force it, and then check your belt again. Make sure that your belt is seated face down, the rib sides facing the drum. All right, now I'm going to be putting on the bulkhead on the front. Now, remember those screws we did not fully extract. They were left in. Now what you're going to do, you're going to set the bulkhead on the two screws. Just like that. And the other. Now you're going to push on the bulkhead at the bottom and rotate the drum. Like that. Now you can tighten up. Pretty much wrapping up now. Just keep in mind this dryer was probably over 13 years old. The Bravo is maybe even 14. And first time being serviced, so not bad at all, given the amount of lint that was in that dryer. So not too bad. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.